In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an unsubscribe link in Mailchimp. Whether you're new to email marketing or you're just looking to make your campaigns more professional and compliant, adding an unsubscribe link is an essential step. Not only does it help you stay in line with email marketing laws like the CAN-SPAM Act, but it also ensures that your recipients have the ability to opt out of your emails quickly and easily. This can actually improve your credibility as a sender and help you maintain a healthy subscriber list. So let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step first. Head over to Mailchimp by navigating to mailchimp.com. Once you're there, sign into your account as you normally would. Make sure you're using the login credentials for the account where the campaign you'd like to modify is saved. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be taken to your dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see the navigation panel. From this menu, click on the option labeled Campaigns. This will take you to a list of all the campaigns you've created in your account. Now, locate the specific campaign that you want to add the unsubscribe link to. Once you've found it, click on the Edit button. This will take you into the editing mode for that campaign. Next, you'll need to access the design interface of your email. To do this, simply click on the Edit Design button. This will open up the design editor where you can make changes to the layout and content of your email. Now, scroll down to the bottom of the email layout. This is typically where unsubscribed links are placed, as it's the standard location most recipients expect to find them. Once you're at the bottom of the layout, you'll want to add a text block. Click on the area where you want the unsubscribe link to go, and then type the word unsubscribe into the text field. Keep it simple and clear so that your recipients know exactly what this link is for. Here's where the magic happens. Click on the Merge Tags menu, which you'll find within the design interface. This menu contains dynamic content options that Mailchimp can insert for you. From the drop-down list, select the option labeled Unsubscribe Link. When you do this, Mailchimp will generate a unique unsubscribe link for your campaign and insert it into the text area. At this point, you'll notice that the generated link is just sitting there in plain text form. What we want to do next is make it look cleaner and more user-friendly. To do this, highlight the link text that was just inserted and cut it from the text area. You can use the Cut command on your keyboard or right-click and select Cut. Don't worry, we're going to paste it back in just a moment. Now, go back and highlight the word unsubscribe that you typed earlier. This is the word that will become the clickable link. Once you've highlighted it, look for the toolbar above the text area and click on the icon that looks like a chain link. This is the link icon, and it will allow you to attach a URL to the word unsubscribe. In the window that pops up, you'll see a field labeled Web Address URL. This is where you'll paste the unsubscribe link you just cut. Paste the link into the field, double-check to make sure it's correct, and then click on Insert or Save to apply the link to the text. Congratulations! You've just turned the word unsubscribe into an active hyperlink. Finally, to save all the changes you've made to your email, click on the Save and Close button. This will ensure that your modifications are applied to the campaign. And that's it. You're done. Your email campaign now includes a functional unsubscribe link, making it both user-friendly and compliant with email marketing best practices. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.